Good morning, guys. So today this is what today is like. So I came in this morning to work and my truck was basically full to the brim. There was no way for me to get inside my truck to reorganize it, to fix everything that they have loaded already. It's been the biggest struggle because I tell them every day, and honestly, like, I haven't been working for this Fedex for that long, and it's just really starting to put like a bad taste in my mouth because literally I tell them every single day that my truck is loaded wrong, and when I have a little bit, I'm able to get in my truck and just organize it. But today it's just too much. So basically what I just did is I dropped off all the stuff that was at the hospital, and now I'm trying to organize the rest of the stuff. So they used a new person, someone new that doesn't know what they're doing, to load my truck, which is not good because even the people who've been there don't know how to load my truck. There is one girl there that loaded it like pretty well, and I was hoping that they would just keep her on this truck, but yeah, it's frustrating because now I have to waste time during the day to organize this, and I have stuff back there that's for up here, and I have stuff up here that's for back there. So it's really getting to me. I'm trying to just stay calm and do what I can, but I thought I would just set up the camera and just have you guys watch me do some sort of organization here, maybe, I don't know. So yeah, time lapse of me trying to organize this truck. Alright, you guys, so I did what I could. Still gotta check this back corner, but I'm gonna have to drop all this stuff off, which is like a bulk stop. So I'm gonna go do that, and then I'm gonna come back and do a little bit more organizing because I can't work like this. They just throw things in the truck, and it's not cool when you have a budget truck because it's just, you can't find anything. You know what I mean? Look at this. This is because I organized it a little bit. If you guys would have seen it this morning, I wish I would have got a picture or video or something, but it was terrible. I don't know how many times I have to tell them, like, this is not cool, you know? It's not like I have a route that has like 100 packages or less, you know? I have bulk stops. I have a lot of packages. So